Have you ever wondered why some YouTubers explode overnight while others struggle for years with barely any views? The brutal truth is that most new creators are sabotaging themselves from day one without even realizing it. Today, I'm exposing the 10 deadly mistakes that are killing your channel's growth and showing you exactly how to fix them before it's too late. Let's start with mistake number 1 that makes me cringe every time. New YouTubers think they need perfect equipment to succeed. You're spending thousands on cameras and microphones while channels with phone footage are getting millions of views. Here's what actually matters: good lighting and clear audio. Find a window, use your phone, and invest in a $20 lapel microphone. Your content quality will skyrocket without breaking the bank. Mistake number 2 is the inconsistency trap. You upload 3 videos one week, then disappear for a month. The algorithm rewards consistency above all else. Pick a schedule you can actually maintain, even if it's just once weekly. Your audience needs to know when to expect you, and YouTube needs to trust you'll keep showing up. Number 3 will shock you. Most creators obsess over subscriber counts while completely ignoring watch time. Subscribers don't pay your bills, views do. Focus on creating content that keeps people watching until the end. Ask yourself, would I watch this entire video if I wasn't the creator? Mistake 4 is copying successful channels exactly. Stop trying to be the next Mr. Beast or Emma Chamberlain. The market doesn't need another carbon copy. Find your unique angle and double down on what makes you different. Authenticity always beats imitation in the long run. Here's number 5. Neglecting your thumbnails and titles. These are your movie posters, your first impression, your make or break moment. Spend as much time crafting these as you do editing your video. If nobody clicks, nobody watches, period. Mistake 6 is ignoring your comments section. This is free market research and community building rolled into one. Respond to comments, ask questions, create conversations. Engagement signals to YouTube that your content matters. Number 7, not analyzing your analytics. YouTube gives you a treasure map to success through your analytics dashboard. Which videos perform best? When do people click away? What demographics love your content? Use this goldmine of information to improve every upload. Mistake 8 is trying to please everyone. Niche down aggressively. It's better to be loved by 1,000 people than ignored by 1,000,000. Your ideal viewer should feel like you're speaking directly to them. 9. Not creating series or connecting videos. Standalone videos are harder to grow with than connected content that keeps viewers binge-watching your channel. Finally, mistake 10, giving up too early. Most successful YouTubers were grinding for years before their breakthrough. Success isn't about going viral once. It's about showing up consistently until you can't be ignored. Remember, every successful YouTuber started exactly where you are right now. The difference is, they learned from these mistakes instead of repeating them. Which mistake resonates most with you?